Have you ever wanted to truly disappear? Pretty much nobody comes here, and that's why I really like it. And just so you know, there's a really busy street like 200 meters away from here. I never thought that it could be this easy to just vanish completely. There's just nothing around. Only peace. You wouldn't spot it normally if you were not looking closely, but as you can see, it's a really nice cobweb. I come to places like this to clear my head. You don't have anyone around to tell you what to do, where to go. You're just on your own and left with your own thoughts. You can really just wander around and not be worried about anything. Look, people are writing stuff on the trees. Wonder what that means. And look, there's another one on the tree right here. Look, there's like a stone structure right here. Oh, so it's just a wall. Well, I wonder what could it be for? Oh yeah, and there's more of them. Look, one right here, and one right there. The moss has completely overgrown this wall. Like, just look at it. And this tree as well. Like, for example, right here, this corner is just so green. So yeah, we're starting to hear some signs of life, but that's because there's this metal structure here, and this is a tower. We'll go right to the top in a second, but well, you're really just going up and up, and you can see the forest from up here so nicely too. Like, man, that's worth living for. You can already kind of see over the tree line, which is, in my opinion, quite amazing. can see the whole city up from here. And the mountains as well. Well, it is actually wild to see all of the trees are lower than me. You're really way above everyone else right now. There's also a lower platform right here, which we are going to check out right now, because I want to get some shots of the trees. Oh yeah, that's what I meant. Well, I think that will be enough for today. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and see you in the next one.